One of the challenges, not just in our industry, but in lots of industry, is the speed of technology change. The boards that we manufactured 10 or 15 years ago, those suppliers have moved on from that technology, so to be able to get them replenished is very difficult. I know for a fact that Alliance, when they know that a particular board or something is going to become obsolete, they do an end-of-life purchase to try to get them another 5 or 10 years of use or supply out of them, so that if it breaks, they have it in stock to be able to do. But it gets more and more challenging as technology continues to change and those boards and et cetera become harder to get. We definitely pull computer boards off of the machines that we bring back that are being replaced, and we will use that. We'll test those boards and we put them in there. And if it's a use of, I don't have a board at all for you, or I've got a used one that we know that it's functioning, I think a good used board makes a lot more sense than spending $15,000, $20,000 on a new machine. How old is that machine? Are those other parts available? If you're getting 20-year-old machine, you're 25, 30. We've got some machines out there close to 40 years old. They're still running, but when they break, the odds of us finding a part to be able to put on it could be a motor that's no longer made, bearings that are no longer made. We talked about control boards that may be obsolete and you can't find it, nor are we pulling in, the machines are old enough, the ones we're getting back are newer than that, and we can't reuse those boards on those older machines, then it's time to replace. If the bearings are out of a machine and you've run the machine to the point that the shaft is worn in, or the bearings have created a groove in the shaft, and now you're having to replace a basket, trunnion and a basket and bearings and et cetera. Now you're probably halfway to 3/4 of the way to a new machine. Maybe it's time to replace the machine. So we'll certainly give you a quote on what it's going to repair and then a quote on a new machine and let you try to make the best decision for yourself.